Bonjour à tous, bonjour Cathy, bonjour Patrick, bonjour tout le monde. Comme d'habitude, je suis là avec ma tasse de café et nous allons lire Tintin. Merci, il y a 47 personnes qui lisent avec nous. 47 people are reading with us. I'm really happy for that. So let's continue reading. So this is the book Les Cigares du Pharaon. Tintin and Milou are in the jungle and, well, they see, the sign that was on the cigars. And so Tintin says, ça par exemple, qui a bien pu peindre ce signe? That, for example, he says that all the time. We shouldn't really translate that, but still, it means, for example, who has been able, pu comes from the verb pouvoir, to paint this sign. Sur la mer calmée, someone is singing on the calmed sea. Tintin is wondering who is singing in the jungle. Pas possible! That's not possible. Le professeur Cyclone. Well, Professor Cyclone. Bonjour, professeur. Comment se fait-il que je vous retrouve ici? Hello, professor. And then we have the construction, comment se fait-il? How is it? How is it possible? How is it that I find you back here? Expliquez-moi ce qui vous est arrivé depuis le moment où, en mer Rouge, explain to me what has happened. Yes, arriver is to arrive, but also to happen. What has happened to you since the moment that on the Red Sea, shh, pas si haut, shh, not so loud. Yes, haut normally means high, but it also means loud. Je vais vous le dire. I'm going to say it to you. Mais il faut absolument me jurer le secret. But, and we have again this il faut, it's necessary, absolutely, that you jure, that you swear me the secret, that you keep it a secret. D'accord, all right, je vous écoute. I'm listening to you. And then apparently screaming in his ear, eh bien voilà, je suis Ramsès II. Well, here it is. I am Ramses II. Cheep, cheep, mais surtout ne le répétez à personne. But especially do not repeat it to anybody. And you see, a person is personne, and nobody or anybody is also personne. Okay? Je suis ici incognito. I am here incognito. Le malheureux, miserable one, il est fou. He is crazy. Je ne tirerai rien de lui tant qu'il ne sera pas guéri. So I will not pull out anything of him. You see, tirer, and this is the future tense because you see the whole verb plus the ending ai. So I will not pull out of him anything tant que, as long as he will not be cured or be better. Mais où trouver un médecin? But where find a doctor? Where can I find a doctor? Où? Where? Mais c'est bien simple. But it is very simple. And he uses his trumpet again. Moi aussi, j'ai joué du piano quand j'étais petit. So the professor, he says, me too. I have played the piano when I was small. So here we are on page 37. Que me veut-il encore ce petit homme? What does he want again from me, that little man? And I think, yes, we go here. Tu vas nous conduire quelque part où il y a des hommes blancs. You are going to, well, conduire, you can think of conduct, but it's like drive us, bring us somewhere where there is a white man. So you see, okay. Bonjour, mon cher Sésostris. Hello, my dear Sésostris. You see, and there they are, all three going to find a white man. Ah, voilà un bungalow. Ah, there you have a bungalow. And there's a man reading his newspaper. Bonjour, monsieur. Veuillez m'excuser si je vous dérange. Hello, sir. Please excuse me if I disturb you. You see, the elephant is drinking his glass. Mais voilà, j'ai trouvé cet homme errant dans la jungle. But here it is. I have found this man. Errant means wandering in the jungle. Il a visiblement perdu la raison. He has visibly lost reason. Y a-t-il un médecin à proximité? Is there a doctor nearby, in the vicinity, à proximité, nearby? Vous tombez à pic. And that's a very good expression. Maybe you should note it down. It means you come just at the right time. Vous tombez à pic. Le docteur Finet est précisément en tournée dans le district. So the Dr. Finet, is precisely on a tour in the district. Je vais le faire appeler immédiatement. I'm going to have him called immediately. So the professor is putting on more signs. Regarde notre signe. Look, our sign. We are at page 38. Un peu plus tard, a little bit later, et voilà toute l'histoire, docteur. And there it is, the whole story, doctor. Pensez-vous que ce pauvre homme puisse un jour recouvrir la raison? Do you think that that poor man, puisse comes from the verb pouvoir. It's this subjunctive, so you have to recognize that it's coming from the verb pouvoir, so that this poor man can one day recover reason, yes, his reasoning. C'est possible, it's possible. Il faut en tout cas qu'il soit conduit immédiatement dans un asile. Il faut, again, it's necessary in any case that he is, and the soit comes from the verb to be, être, it's also subjunctive, that he is, again, conducted, or that he's brought to immediately in a asylum. Il y en a un à 30 000 d'ici. There is one at 30 miles from here. Son directeur est un de mes amis. Its director is one of my friends. Vous pourrez lui amener le malade demain. You will be able to bring to him the sick person tomorrow. En attendant, vous êtes mon invité. In the meantime, you are my guest. J'ai justement organisé pour ce soir une petite réception. I have just organized for tonight a small reception. Vous serez des nôtres. You will be one of us. You will be, yes, with us. Le soir, the night, during the night. Tintin, notre sympathique pasteur, Mr. Peacock. Tintin, this is our very nice pastor or minister, Mr. Peacock. Mrs. et Mr. Snowball, okay, but that we can, like that. Le célèbre écrivain Zlotsky, the famous writer Zlotsky. Dis donc, Major, vous avez là une arme curieuse. Well, Major, you have there a curious weapon. C'est un poignard hindou? Is it a Hindu dagger? C'est un coutard That I don't know how to translate, but it's a coutar, but I don't know what it is. À lame dite langue de bœuf. So with a blade that's called ox tongue, langue de bœuf, hein, ox tongue. Je l'ai reçu d'un fakir qui m'a assuré que cette arme avait le pouvoir d'aller se planter d'elle-même devant toute personne menacée d'un danger grave. Oh, that's a very long sentence. So I have received it from a fakir who has assured me that this weapon had the power to go and, well, maybe plant itself, but stick itself, from like all by itself, d'elle-même, in front of all person threatened by a very serious danger. Oh my God, of course something's going to happen. Je vais d'ailleurs vous la faire voir de plus près. I'm going, by the way, to make it show to you. Like it means like to show you, to make it see, to show you from closer. Plus près, closer. Ah, look at that. And there it goes in front of Tintin. Oh! Excusez-moi, j'espère que vous ne verrez pas là un sinistre présage. Excuse me, I hope that you do not see there a sinister omen or a bad omen. Présage is omen. Du tout. Not at all, not at all. C'est une pure coïncidence. It's pure coincidence. Et puis, je ne suis pas impressionnable à ce point. And then, I am not impressionable in that degree. À ce point, so much. Bang! The door goes open. Apparently, it's some kind of a storm. Ne vous inquiétez pas, c'est le vent. Don't worry, it's the wind. Nous allons avoir une tornade, je crois. We're going to have a tornado, I believe. Ah, someone is screaming. Vite, cela venait de la chambre du savant. Quick, that came from the room of the scholar. Savant, it's a scholar, but of the professor, let's say. Sa chambre est vide. His room is empty. Il a dû sortir par la fenêtre. He must have gone out through the window. À moi, au secours! To me, help, help! C'est la voix de ma femme. It's the voice of my wife. Oh my God, she's fainting. Ah! Elle s'est évanouie au moment où je suis entrée. Well, she fainted at the moment that I entered. Personne. Nobody. Mon Dieu. My God, my God. Un fantôme. A ghost. J'ai vu un fantôme. I saw a ghost. Quelle horreur. What a horror. Le poignard qui se trouvait sur la table, the dagger that was on the table, il a disparu. It has disappeared. Sahib, monsieur. I'm sorry, sir. J'ai vu un esprit tout blanc qui courait vers la forêt. I have seen a ghost all white that ran to the forest. Drôle de fantôme qui s'empare d'un poignard. That's a funny ghost that grabs a dagger. Impossible de le poursuivre encore cette nuit. It's impossible to follow him. Hein? Like it's like a pursuit, but to follow him still this night. Nous verrons demain matin. We will see tomorrow morning. En attendant, prenons un whisky. In the meantime, let's take a whiskey. And this was the ghost, apparently. It's a professor, you see, with a dagger. Le lendemain matin, the day after in the morning, so the next morning, le jeune Saïd, the young sir, il est parti dès l'aube vers la forêt. He has gone, shall we say, at a crack of dawn to the forest. And that's Tintin and Milou, they are in the jungle, in the forest. Essaye de ne pas perdre la trace, mon vieux Milou. Try not to lose the track, my old Milou. Là, son chapeau. There, his hat. Oui, c'est bien son chapeau. Yes, it's very well his hat. Nous sommes sur la bonne piste. We are on the right track. Et que penses-tu de ce couvre-chef, Milou? Hey, what do you think of this hat cover, Milou? See, the professor is there with the dagger. Oh my God. You see? Oh my God, he wants to stab Tintin, but there is the liana. Ma parole, il est devenu furieux. My word, has become crazy furious. Garons-nous. Let's hide somewhere. Heureusement que son bras a été arrêté par une liane. Luckily that his arm has been stopped, and you see, arrêté, it could mean to arrest, but also to stop. His arm has been stopped by a liana, sans quoi, without which, so if the arm of the professor had not been stopped by the liana, then Tintin might have been killed. So they're running around the tree. You see, Tintin is running faster. Takes him by his jacket. Okay, this is the last image of today. We're on page 40. I'm going to have my coffee and then I'm off to Brussels. I wish you a very, very nice day. If you have any requests, any books or whatever, please ask me. I will be here every Tuesday morning with you. Have a very nice Tuesday. Bye-bye.